Yeah, I've been collecting motorcycles already for a while. You know, I collect Yamaha R1s. You know, I got some more over here. I got some more over there. You know, up there somewhere. And you guys will see why I bought it as soon as you guys see it, because like I said, it's a really cool one. You know, got some newspaper. I already see the motorcycle, which is good to see. See a plastic bag. I'm gonna go ahead and unbag it right quick. And here we have it, guys. Tell me this ain't cool. Very nice looking motorcycle. It's basically an old school R1 X-Up Delta Box 2, and it's just a superb model. You know, really nice. Let's look at the other side now. Like I said, guys, it's a really awesome model. I'm gonna go ahead and just get this basically out of the box right quick. I'll show you guys a little bit more. We'll cut the tape over here as well. And here it is, guys. Here we have it. This is the Super Racer Yamaha R1, you know, X-Up Delta Box. And let's take a look at it over here, you know, via the front. Some nice dials there, if you guys can see them. Looks pretty nice. I mean, I was expecting the quality to be like less or not as good as Maisto, but this is easily just as good as Maisto, or easily just as good as Welly. So I'm very pleased with this brand. Also, the wheels are made out of rubber, which is cool. I thought they might have been made out of plastic, just again because on the new Ray motorcycles the wheels are plastic on some of the cheaper ones. So really glad to see that on this one the wheels are actually rubber, and you know, the wheels are red. Really nice look, and really nice, you know, bearings on this. This looks really cool. This is gonna look really awesome right next to, you know what I'm saying, some of my other motorcycles like my R1s. I'm gonna make a separate video where I'm basically going to, you know, go through. I'm gonna have all my R1s like in a nice, you know, kind of like pose, and all of them, you know, because I got more than these. Like I said, I got more over there, you know what I'm saying. I pretty much collect R1s. I love R1s. I'm a motorcycle rider in real life, although at the moment I don't have a motorcycle. I'm hoping to buy a new one soon. And but yeah, guys, in the meanwhile, you know, I just, you know what I'm saying, I couldn't help myself to get in this dope one right here. Once again, this is the, what brand is it? This is called the Full Speed brand. Full Speed, you know what I'm saying, Yamaha R1. Dope R1 right there. A lot of graphics, nice quality, real glossy, the red, you know what I'm saying. Again, it's super rare of a bike. I've never seen it before. I'm super glad that this thing arrived in one piece. And yeah, guys, and with that said, if you guys enjoyed this video, you know, please do make sure to slap a like and subscribe to the channel for more dope content like this. And with that said, this is your boy Florida Car Buff. Hope you guys are having a great day. And so yeah, guys, until the next one, I'm outie, guys. Peace.